Okay, here we are at the TP software again, and the process we're going to look at today, polymer shaping, is compression moulding. Now, compression moulding is different to all the other types of production because it's really for thermoset plastics. Okay, let's have a look at the animation straight in. You've got a preheated pellet, and this has to be weighed very, very accurately, because it has to make sure that it fills the mould when the two parts come together, but you don't want too much excess because unfortunately it's going to be thermoset, so it cannot be recycled. Any waste material has to be landfilled, and we all know that's bad for the environment. Right, let's have a look at the animation. I've got a two-part here, a very, very small gap for any excess material, which is called flash, comes together heated under immense pressure, huge amount of hydraulic pressure pushing the two parts together. The immense pressure and heat during the process causes the polymer chains to develop cross links. Now, cross links mean when the plastic cools down, it will be set forever. It will never be able to be reheated and changed shape again. It's not a thermoplastic, it is now a thermoset plastic with cross links. The part is ejected afterwards, and any waste material, flash, needs to be removed by hand, so it is quite labour intensive. But notice there's no feeder hopper, no Archimedes screw, no hydraulic ram, so the actual equipment itself is relatively cheap. Let's look at the plastics that are used, thermosets, okay, and you can make quite large components with this, 1 metre. I'm going to stress it again because it's a thermoset plastic. Any component that would be in contact with heat would be very good to make with this process because it wouldn't melt. The economic considerations, relatively cheap equipment because it doesn't have the Archimedes screw or the ram, and typical products are electrical components, so electrical fittings for lights, electrical sockets, electrical plugs, any plastic kettle, any plastic iron, all of which are exposed to heat, so this process is ideal because it uses thermoset plastic. Okay, and that concludes